Good morning, class. Yesterday we did the topic adverbs, and you know very well that an adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So today we shall discuss the formation of adverbs, how adverbs are framed. Now see the third number. Study the ways of formation of adverbs. A part it is written. See here. Okay. Most adverbs of manner and some adverb of degrees are formed by adding ly to the corresponding adjectives. Means mostly we have to add ly to the corresponding adjective and then we frame adverb, just as brave, bravely, kind, kindly, high, highly, brave, bravely, bravely, kindly, highly. Then see the spelling notes. A final y changes into I before adding ly. See here. Sorry, the page has gone. Okay, it has come back. Now see. So, easy, easily, happy, happily, heavy, heavily. Easily, see the spelling easily. We remove y and in place of y we have written ily. Similarly, happy, happily, happily, heavy, heavily, heavily, heavily. So in this way we have framed the adverbs. Now, a final e is retained. See here. Nice, nicely, brave, bravely, safe, safely. E is here as it is. nicely, bravely, safely, safely. Now see the exceptions where e is not there. See very carefully you see. due, due, and the answer is duly, duly. Say nice, it was nicely, but in due, due, then it is answer is duly, duly. Then the second one is true, true, the answer is truly, truly. whole, whole, the answer is holy, whoolly. E is not there, be very careful, duly, truly, holy, duly, truly, holy. Now, adjective ending in able and blb drop the final e. Now see the example. Able, ably, noble, nobly, possible, possibly. The adverb of good is well. So on the basis of this, you have to fill the adverb from the adjectives given below. Adjectives are given, you have to frame the adverb and then you have to fill. Just as the patient slept soundly. The patient slept soundly. Okay. Now see the next page. We are here. Now see this. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. Degrees of adjective we have done. Positive, comparative and superlative degrees we have done. So here are the degrees of comparison in adverbs. The same here also, positive, comparative and superlative. Fast, faster, fastest, long, longer, longest, soon, sooner and soonest. Okay. Then formation of degree given downside also here. Hard, harder, hardest. And the next page, see, near, nearer, nearest. Loud, louder, loudest. Beautifully, more beautifully, most beautifully. Carefully, more carefully, most carefully. Similarly, see in third number, badly or ill, worse or worst, far, farther, further, farthest, late, later, latest, little, less, least, much, more, most, and well, better, best. Okay. Now see use of degrees of adverb, how they are used. See, mark the use of degrees of adverb in the sentences. Positive degree. He drives as quickly as his brother. She doesn't work so well as you do. You don't play as nicely as I do. See the words as are there, as. Now in comparison, it is then. We played better than you. I came earlier than my brother. Then in superlative, she danced most gracefully of all the girls. I sang best of all. So on the basis of this, you have to do exercise number 41. Okay. So this we have done. Use of degrees of adverb. As they are in degrees of adjective, positive, comparative, superlative, the same are the degrees of adverb. In positive as, comparative than, and in superlative most gracefully of, best of. And now you try this exercise and it's over for today. Bye.